So what I've done here, I brought the jacket over to the table and flattened it out, and I've turned everything inside out. So what's happening here is that this is to do the sleeve hems. So if we've turned it inside out, you can see this is all on the same level here. There's the facing, the front, the lining, all going across at the same level, and that means that these seams can go against each other once the garment's bagged out. But because we want to join this this edge onto this edge here, we just have to turn it around. We'll push the rib up into the sleeve and then push this around, because once that's stitched there and it folds back, that seam will be against that seam there. So all we need to do before we take it to the machine is we're just going to pop one pin in here so we don't lose that position. And then again, over on the other side, you've got the front facing, front lining, sleeve lining, which comes around here and matches up with the outer sleeve lining. The rib's already tucked under, and so we're just going to turn this around here so that all these seams are matching, they're all going on the inside. So once you've stitched that, you'll see that this will fold back and it'll cover up that seam there. So I'm just going to pin this in place and then I'll take it to the sewing machine. Here, this is the sleeve. I popped the pin in there and just going to start sewing. Now the lining is the same size as the outer layer, so we should just be able to pull that flat and that should match. We start at the underarm seam and we're going to work our way around. Now we do have a notch. I've got a notch, halfway notch in the sleeve and in the lining. So if you want to add more notches, you could divide it in half, like just fold it in half again and do a quarter notch if you wanted to. But it shouldn't be. It's pretty easy to deal with, just like this. So match up your notches, pull everything flat. Just all the way around to our original position. So, and then I'll sew the other one, but just for you to see how this is finished. So all you need to do now is put your arm, put your hand inside and then pull that back out, and you'll have a sleeve that's finished with rib and is lined on the inside.